In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to answer any question. D20 to 26 full guide. First, match your question's intent to the right model tier so you get high quality answers without burning through priority limits. Use the instant model when you just need quick facts, simple translations, summaries, or everyday definitions. It's fast with minimal latency. Switch to the thinking model for complex logic, advanced math, debugging, or nuanced breakdowns. To change models, open the model dropdown at the top of your workspace or tap into the message box and type a / to select the deep reasoning mode. A practical tip. Start simple on instant, then elevate to thinking when you feel friction or the problem demands deeper chains of thought. Next, for time-sensitive topics, force live web grounding so you're not limited by cached knowledge. You can click the globe or search the web icon beneath the main prompt area and enter your question or type /search, press space, and add your keywords right in the message field. Watch for the searching the web status animation before the final response. This confirms your data is up to date through 2026. When a question calls for long structured explanations, move the work into canvas mode to stay organized. Type /canvas followed by your request. For example, analyze the fundamental mechanical differences between standard disc brakes and drum brakes. Open a canvas and break down the answer into 3 clear sections: performance, maintenance, and lifetime value. Your screen splits with the chat thread on the left and an editable document on the right. Inside Canvas, refine directly. Highlight any dense or vague passage, click the floating Ask ChatGPT bubble, and give a precise instruction like expand heavily on the heat dissipation aspect here. Add a real-world example and format the subpoints into a bulleted list. In the bottom right tool menu, use the sliders to adjust length or change the reading level. From an easy grade school analogy to a graduate level deep dive without rewriting everything. Never copy an AI answer without verifying sources. Hover over bracketed links or site chips to preview the publisher card, then click sources at the base of the response to open the right side sources panel. There you can review titles, active links, and author details so you can cross-check the originals quickly. Finally, use a universal prompting blueprint. For technical or logic tasks, define a role and action bounds like act as a senior database administrator and request a clear comparison, ideally in Canvas with a table. For real-time questions, invoke web search and ask for concise, source-backed takeaways. For conceptual learning, enforce a simple analogy and set the reading level, building a stepwise explanation with emphasis on key terms. And that's it. Combine web overrides, Canvas organization, targeted edits, and rigorous source auditing to get precise, bulletproof answers to any question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.